Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make tempura. Tempura is part of Hawaii's traditional food thanks to the Japanese. I remember growing up with tempura since my dad is part Japanese and always made it for my birthday. It's obviously my favorite dish. I'll be showing how to make the batter and the sauce. Here are the following ingredients. Since I don't like using MSG in my recipes, I'll show a way to easily replace it. First, prep the shrimp. Take off the remaining shell on the tail's end. I like to take an extra step and remove the other vein from the bottom of the shrimp by slicing it shallow enough to take it out. It's optional to do this part. Since I bought this devein, the top of the shrimp's other vein doesn't need to be taken out. In order to prevent the shrimp from curling when it is cooked, use a technique called stretching. On the shrimp, there are different visible sections to it. Use it as a guideline to make a small, shallow cut. Flip the shrimp over and press down on it, and a small snap will be heard and felt. Next, make the dipping sauce for the tempura by pouring water into a medium-sized saucepan over medium heat and add in the konbu. Bring it to a boil, then add in the bonito flakes. Turn off the heat and let it steep in the water for about 5 minutes. This is a great substitution for MSG ingredients, which is necessary for the umami flavor. After 5 minutes, strain the flakes and konbu over a bowl. Bring the liquid back to the pot and add in shoyu, mirin, and finally grated daikon. Mix it well and bring it to a boil and let it cool. Serve it at room temperature. Next is making the tempura batter from scratch. In a large bowl, add in the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it together. Add the oil to the ice-cold water, then add it to the dry ingredients and whisked eggs. Using chopsticks, blend everything together. Do not mix it too well, only lightly. Leaving clumps of flour is okay. Make sure there is a pot heated with oil to about 375 degrees. Lightly dip the shrimp into the batter and carefully pop it into the oil. Let it fry for about 2 to 5 minutes or until it is very light golden. If the batter isn't sticking too well to ingredients, dredge it in flour first, then add it into the batter. Tempura shouldn't be heavily coated in the batter. Instead, it should have a light coat of the batter so it's still crunchy. Use as many different veggies as you'd like. A few favorites that I've used are shredded carrots, zucchini, asparagus, eggplants, green beans, and onions. After it has finished cooking, serve it immediately. If it begins to soften, bake or broil it until it gets its crunchy texture back. Grab a pair of chopsticks and dig into this onolicious tempura. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!